Yo guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be grabbing toothpaste and a toothbrush. So on TikTok the other day, I saw this thing where if you put, hold on, let me hold my camera like this. If you put toothpaste and toothbrush on a cracked screen, it'll fix it. So I have my dad's partially cracked iPad. I'm going to try putting it on there and seeing if it's going to fix overnight. So as you can see, we got our toothpaste. This will probably be a quick video. Okay, let's get going. Let me see if I can put it. Oh, right there. So this is for real. It has tape over it, but it's a cracked screen. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off. Gotta make sure to take every piece off. Okay guys, so I took it off. This thing I think is, hold on, probably dead. But I'm gonna put the toothpaste that I have right here on my dad's iPad. There we go. Now I'm gonna wrap toilet paper around it. So I'm gonna go grab toilet paper. Probably put a little bit too much on there, but that's okay. Rip it off. Let it sit there for a certain amount of time, 24 hours I think it is. And we'll see if the cracked screen repairs itself. Actually, hold on, let me put it. So it's right there. Now I'm gonna take this, put this back, and we'll fast forward 24 hours and see if it actually works. Hey guys. Okay guys, so anyways, that wraps up the video, and peace out. Okay guys, what's up? So now I am back here to look at the toothpaste trick and see if it worked or not. I did what the video said, and just open it up here. And it appears it did not work. It only made more of a mess for your iPad. So for those of you guys who think it works, it is 100% indeed a scam. Now, this idea came from TikTok. I wanted to prove it to you guys that it was indeed fake. So yes, it is fake. People that are doing this probably either have a new screen or they ordered it from the Apple store. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this residue off here. I'll be right back. Peace. Okay guys, so it isn't looking too good. This is what it came down to, me having to do that. This is highly why I don't suggest you do this. I'm gonna plug this in, turn it on, and see what happens. So we have the battery flat symbol, which is a good sign. You guys can see it's plugged in. Looks like it's taking a while. Hello? Okay guys, so, it's been 5 minutes since I plugged it in, and I still get the battery flat symbol, so I'm gonna stop recording now, leave it, let it hang, and I'll check in a bit.